Welcome back to Dropout Trades, everybody. You know what day it is. It is Sunday. So that means that we're going to be making our trading plans and our trading setups for this week. Now, if you watched the previous video that I posted on last Sunday with the trading plans for this past week, then I know you had a great week because I had some great setups in this week and the market was moving. So, anyways, in this video, we're going to be going over the SPY and Tesla. Let's go. Let's get right into it. All right, so just like always, we're going to start with our support and resistance levels, and then we're going to get into the trading plan. Let's go. 409.72s, 416.53s, 422.73s, 425.89s, 429.78s, 430 and 90 cents, 432.70s, 437.19, 441.45s, 444s, 446s, 446.55s, 448s, 451.50s, 453.36, 455.43s, and 457.50s. Now let's get into a lower time frame and let's make our trading plans. Let's go. All right, SPY. What I see over here, 432s, I probably would not play it. What I would want to see is SPY coming down to the 430s, 429 levels. I might enter a call here. Depends on how it's looking that day. And where I would get out would most likely be, I don't see this as such a strong resistance level, to be honest. So I might keep riding it all the way to the 436, and then that's where I would get out. On the other hand, though, if it does break this 429, I would definitely enter puts, and I would exit at around 426.50 to 427 to be on the safe side. For the upside, what I would need to see to enter a trade, if it breaks the 437s to the 438s, 438.50, I might play it all the way up to the 440 and 50 cents, maybe 441, depends on how it's looking that day. If it breaks the 440 though, that's where I would most likely play. If we can break the 440s and I can see it holding, it's looking good that day, I would enter the calls. I don't know if I would exit at 446s. I might just keep a tight stop loss behind it so I can keep riding it all the way to the 447s and 448s. If it breaks this 448s, I have no doubt we're going to see the 450s to 451s. Anything above that or under here, that's just another video that we're going to make if it gets to that level. Alright, let's get into Tesla now. Alright, let's start with the supports. We'll get into the resistance. 176.30s, 183.86, 187s, 194.88s, 198.94s, 204.50s, 212.28s, 217.50s, 226.50s, 230.84s, 234.90s, 240.50s, 244.50s, 251.40s, and 259.20s. Let's get into a lower time frame and make our trading plan. Let's go. Alright, so real quick before we get into this trading plan on Tesla. Last Sunday when I made the trading video for the week, I told you guys that I'm making a challenge account starting with either $2,000 or $2,500. I started it this week with $2,000. Now, this is huge. Okay, I had a great week in that account. If you remember the last challenge account that I did maybe 2 months ago, started at $300 and grew it all the way up to $3,700, which is 12x plus in 1 week. This one is even crazier. So I'm going to put that video out. It's going to be probably on Monday, tomorrow. Make sure to watch it. You don't want to miss out on this. And then keep following to see how this trading account goes and that challenge account, how much I can grow to. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get more trading alerts and trading setups. Alright, let's get into this trading plan. Anyways, Tesla. Tesla came down quite a bit this week. I had a crazy trade on it. You'll see that in the video tomorrow. Anyways, where I would enter, I personally think that we're going to see 195s in Tesla since we broke all these support levels over here. My analysis says we will see 203s or 195s. Let's see what's going to happen. Where I would enter, if this can hold pretty strong, this 211 to 212 support level over here, and we can break above the 217s. I would most likely enter calls over here as long as it's strong at the 212 to 213s. If it does break this 212, I would play the puts all the way down to the 206, probably 206 levels. Okay, 206, 206.50s. And if it breaks that, I'm pretty sure we're going to see 200 to 204s. If it breaks that, we will see 195s, which is what I think we will see. If we can break this 195s, I definitely think that we will see 185s. For the upside, on the other hand, I think we got to break 227s. If we can break 227s and hold, I think that we'll see 233s to 234, so that's where I would most likely exit. If we can break the 235s, I'd play a little bit to I wouldn't stay all the way till 240, probably 238 would be pushing it, 237.50 to 238s. If we can break this 245s, I would definitely enter the calls and I would exit at around 249.50s to be on the safe side. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, stay updated in this channel for the next trading alerts and trading plans, and I wish you guys a great week. We'll see you guys in the next one.